Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop getting calls from your iPhone also on your iPad. So if you have an incoming call, it's going to ring on both devices. Sometimes it could cause a disturbance, especially if you're doing something on your iPad and you don't want that same exact call ringing on both devices. This is how you turn it off. So first thing is, on your iPhone, you're going to want to go ahead and navigate to your settings. From there on, you're going to go ahead into your phone setting itself. From your phone settings here, where it says under call section, calls on other devices. By default, this option is turned on whenever you're using the same Apple account across your devices, right? Calls that come through on your iPhone will also ring on your iPad unless you turn this off. Now you can completely disable it by using this one toggle, so none of your other devices will get the call. But if you want to turn it off just for your iPad, right, that you have on your account, you can just click on that toggle. Now whenever you're getting an incoming call, it will no longer ring on your iPad. It will just be on your iPhone. So that's how you stop getting calls from your iPhone on your iPad as well. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.